Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. Our topic today is excess low on big data. Change this one calculation setting. This setting change will improve efficiency in data cleansing by 100%. We're going to go to the next slide. In this video tutorial, you will learn one simple calculation setting that can dramatically improve Excel performance and make big spreadsheet much faster to work with. And the next slide shows us the graphical illustration what we should expect in this tutorial. As you can see, the red circle shows us 11 minutes 33 seconds, while the blue one shows 58 seconds. Basically, this is going to increase speed if you change this setting. As you can see, the data at the background is about 500,000 plus. So let me load a template to show you what to do, how to do, and change the setting to make your big data cleansing faster. There you go. This is our data template. So the requirement for this big data template, as you can see, we have about 34 columns, but we don't need all the entire 34 columns, and we have about 500,000 plus record, as you can see. So the next thing to do is to move all the blue column to the left hand side. So the first one is in D column, which I'm going to cut and move. Before I start, let me load our timer so that we can be rest assured that despite the fact I'm not going to complete it for the entire duration. I click start using our timer to start it. I'm going to cut this D as I did initially. Insert cut cell. Immediately after 1 minute with the timer, I'm going to stop the timer and show you the logic of changing of the formula based on calculation in the formula menu. And I'm going to cut this as well. I'm going to cut the two, not to waste time. Cut. As I said, it should be, if I'm doing this, which I already done before to finish the format, is about 11 minutes without changing the setting. Cut column D and I move it to start cut cell. And you can see it's a big data, but it's slow when it comes to if the option is not on. But if this option is on, it's going to be much quicker and faster. And we are more than a minute, so what I'm going to do now, let me cut additional 2 columns. As I said, I'm not going to finish the entire cutting because we cannot just wait for another 11 minutes to show you. So just to give you heads up what you should expect, but by the time you change this particular one single setting, then your working with big data will be extremely faster. So now I will pause our timer at 1 minute 44 seconds. So what is the tricks? And all you need to do is go to formula, click calculation option. You can see the default for every Excel is automatic. Change it to manual. This makes your data cleansing very extremely slow. That particular, once again, formula, you go to calculation option and change it to manual. So that's all you need to do. And that's it. So if you find this tutorial very benefit to you, come for more tutorial, unleash your potential with Data Solver. The sky is the limit. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.